Agency. It's a word we use often, but what does it truly mean? In its simplest form, agency is the ability to act independently and make your own choices. It's about having a say in how you navigate the world and impact your surroundings. When we talk about agency in the context of artificial intelligence, things get a bit more complex. We're not just talking about machines following instructions. Agentic AI, as it's often called, goes beyond simply reacting to commands. It implies a level of autonomy and intentionality that makes these systems appear as if they are making their own choices, driven by their own goals. This is where the real fascination and perhaps even a touch of apprehension begins to set in. To truly grasp the concept of agentic AI, we need to break down its core components. These components are the building blocks that define how an AI system can function independently and effectively in a complex world. First and foremost is autonomy, the ability to operate independently without constant human intervention. Autonomy allows AI systems to perform tasks on their own, making decisions based on pre-programmed algorithms and real-time data inputs. Imagine a self-driving car navigating traffic seamlessly, making split-second decisions based on real-time data. That's autonomy in action. These cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to understand their environment and make decisions that ensure safety and efficiency. Next comes intentionality. Agentic AI wouldn't just act randomly, it would have goals and strive to achieve them. Intentionality means that the AI has a purpose behind its actions, whether it's optimizing a process, solving a problem, or achieving a specific outcome. Think of a sophisticated AI system managing a city's power grid, constantly optimizing energy distribution to meet fluctuating demands. That's intentionality woven into its very code. The AI system understands the goal of maintaining a stable and efficient power supply and takes actions to achieve that goal. Beyond autonomy and intentionality lies self-determination, the capacity to set your own goals and adjust them based on changing circumstances. Self-determination allows AI systems to be more flexible and adaptive, responding to new information and altering their strategies as needed. Picture an AI researcher collaborating with a human counterpart, proactively suggesting new avenues of exploration based on its own analysis of vast data sets. That's the essence of self-determination. The AI isn't just following a set of instructions, it's actively contributing to the research process by identifying new opportunities and potential breakthroughs. Finally, we have responsibility. If an AI system can make independent decisions that impact the real world, the question of accountability inevitably arises. Responsibility in AI means ensuring that there are mechanisms in place to address the consequences of the AI's actions. Who is responsible when an autonomous vehicle makes a mistake? This question underlines the complexity of developing truly agentic AI. It's not just about creating systems that can operate independently, but also about ensuring that there are ethical and legal frameworks to manage their impact. The development of agentic AI involves a delicate balance of technological innovation, ethical considerations, and regulatory oversight. As we continue to advance in this field, it's crucial to address these challenges to create AI systems that are not only powerful but also responsible and trustworthy. The recent surge of large language models like ChatGPT has blurred the lines between artificial intelligence and genuine agency. These models have become incredibly sophisticated, capable of generating text that is often indistinguishable from that written by humans. They can engage in conversations, write essays, and even generate complex code. This has led many to wonder if these AI systems possess some form of consciousness or self-awareness. But are they truly agentic? The short answer is no. Despite their impressive capabilities, these models are not sentient beings. While LLMs excel at mimicking human language and thought patterns, they lack inherent goals, autonomy, and self-awareness. They do not have desires, beliefs, or intentions. They operate within the confines of their programming, relying on massive data sets and sophisticated algorithms to generate responses. These responses are based on patterns and probabilities, not on any understanding or comprehension. They don't think or feel in the way humans do. They do not experience emotions, have personal experiences, or possess a sense of self. Take, for example, a chatbot designed to provide customer support. It may seem incredibly lifelike in its interactions, responding quickly and accurately to user queries. However, it's simply following a set of predefined rules and accessing a vast library of responses. It does not understand the context or the emotional state of the user. It doesn't understand the nuances of the conversation or the emotions of the user. It cannot empathize or make decisions based on personal judgment. The remarkable capabilities of LLMs should not be mistaken for genuine agency. They are tools designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not to replace human judgment or decision-making. They are powerful tools capable of augmenting human capabilities, but they are not independent agents making their own choices in the world. They lack the ability to act with intention or purpose, and their actions are always directed by their programming and the data they have been trained on. Understanding the limitations of these systems is crucial as we continue to integrate AI into various aspects of our lives. While they can greatly enhance our productivity and efficiency, we must remember that they are not sentient beings. They are sophisticated tools, but they do not possess the qualities that define human consciousness and agency. As we look to the future, it's important to continue developing AI responsibly, ensuring that we leverage their capabilities while being mindful of their limitations. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives without falling into the trap of attributing human-like qualities to machines that are fundamentally different from us. Section 4. Agents versus agency: unpacking the nuances of artificial intelligence. It's crucial to differentiate between AI agents and agentic AI. An AI agent, in its simplest form, is any system capable of perceiving its environment and taking actions to achieve specific goals. This could be as simple as a thermostat adjusting the temperature, or as complex as a chess-playing program strategizing its next move. Agentic AI, on the other hand, goes beyond merely following instructions or reacting to stimuli. It implies a deeper level of autonomy, intentionality, and perhaps even self-awareness. It's the difference between a programmed robot following a predefined path and a self-driving car navigating a complex cityscape. While all agentic AI systems are agents, not all agents possess true agency. A spam filter is an agent, but it doesn't exhibit the autonomy, intentionality, or self-determination that would classify it as agentic. Section 5. The power of planning. A cornerstone of agentic AI. Planning is a critical element in the quest to develop truly agentic AI. It is not just about making decisions on the fly, but involves a comprehensive process of foreseeing potential scenarios and preparing for them in advance. It's the ability to anticipate future states, consider different courses of action, and make decisions that lead to desired outcomes. This anticipatory capability is what sets agentic AI apart from more reactive systems. Without planning, AI systems remain confined to reacting to immediate stimuli, lacking the foresight and strategic thinking that characterize true agency. They can only respond to what is happening now without any consideration for what might happen next. Imagine an AI system tasked with managing a disaster relief effort. In such a high-stakes scenario, the ability to plan ahead is not just beneficial, but essential. It would need to assess the situation, identify resources, anticipate challenges, and develop a plan of action that optimizes aid delivery while minimizing risks. This involves a multi-layered approach where the AI must weigh various factors and potential outcomes. This level of planning requires a deep understanding of cause and effect, as well as the ability to adapt to constantly changing circumstances. The AI must be able to predict how different actions will influence the environment and adjust its strategy accordingly. Developing AI systems capable of such sophisticated planning is a complex endeavor. It involves not only programming, but also a deep integration of various fields of study. It requires advances in machine learning, reasoning, and decision-making algorithms. These algorithms must be capable of processing vast amounts of data and making sense of it in a way that informs future actions. It also necessitates a deep understanding of human cognition and how we plan for the future. By studying how humans think and plan, researchers can develop AI systems that mimic these processes, leading to more effective and agentic AI. One of the key aspects of planning in AI is the ability to simulate various future scenarios. This involves creating models of potential futures and evaluating the outcomes of different actions within those models. Additionally, AI systems must be able to learn from past experiences to improve their future planning. This means not only storing data, but also analyzing it to identify patterns and insights that can inform future decisions. Collaboration with human experts is also crucial. By working together, AI and humans can combine their strengths to create more robust and effective plans. The applications of planning in AI are vast, spanning fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. In each of these areas, the ability to plan effectively can lead to significant improvements in outcomes and efficiency. As we continue to advance in the field of AI, the power of planning will remain a cornerstone of developing truly agentic systems. These systems will not only react to the world around them, but will also shape it through thoughtful and strategic planning.